So today our discussion topic is various types of cells like totipotent cell, pluripotent cell, multipotent cell, oligopotent cell and unipotent cells. And number one is totipotent cells. During the development of embryo up to the cell stage 8, up to the cell stage, number of cell stage 8, that is called totipotent cell development of embryo. And here is the speciality of these cells. They can form entire embryonic tissue and extraembryonic tissue, embryonic tissue and extraembryonic tissue. This is the specialty of this totipotent cells. Number 2 is pluripotent cells. These cells can form all the three layers. Those three layers are ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. Here is the specialty. The example is primordial germ cell. This is the example of pluripotent cells. Number 3 is multipotent cell. Multipotent cells, the ability of these cells, they can form more than one category of cell. This is the specialty, more than one category of cell. Like examples hematopoietic stem cell. This is the example of multipotent cell. And hematopoietic stem cell, the various types of cells can form, like neutrophil, eosinophil, or neutrophil, lymphocyte, monocyte, they can form. This is called multipotent cell. And number 4 is oligopotent cell. They can form one category of cell. They can form oligopotent cell. They can form one category of cell. And the types on category of cell, like examples are like T cell, B cell. These are the example. And unipotent cell, they can form one type of cell. And example is like liver cell. So from one liver cell they can form another liver cell. This is called unipotent cells. So on revisions, now revision time. Totipotent cell, up to the during the development of the embryo, up to the cell stage of 8, or up to the number of cell 8, that those cells are called totipotent cell, and they can form embryonic and extraembryonic tissue. Okay, so number 2 is pluripotent cell. These cells can form all the three layers, ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. And example is primordial germ cell. Number 3 is multipotent cell, the ability to form more than one category of cell. So example is hematopoietic stem cell, like neutrophil, eosinophil, basophil, this. And number 4 is oligopotent cell. Oligopotent cell, they can form one categories of cell like T cell and B cell. Those are one category of cell. Number 5 is unipotent cell. They can form only one type of cell like liver cell. Thank you.